Hey.
Oh. Come on, Zanizabar. Where's he gone? Oh, there he is.
Yeah, there we go.
It's on my bag.
Managed to knock off most of it.
It's on my bag.
Well, you really went upside down.
Zanizabar's looking fat.
Look at my foot. I don't like anyone touching my feet. Hello. Oh, he's gone straight for the box.
Oh no, he knows.
You know.
Can you hold this back? Hold this back. Hold this back. Erin, hold this. What's this? Alright, you can.
No. Okay, up there.
Oh. Erin.
You idiot.
Can you hold this back when I break this up? It's videoing, so.
He's tickling my foot.
When Zanizabar goes down, he's gonna drop it.
Oh God, look, there's millions of them.
Millions of them. Marklets.
Marklets? Millions of marklets. There's crumbs on my sleeve, you idiot. There we go. Hello. Hello. Oh, you're getting a bit close.
Oh no, he's got loads of chocolate all over his feet.
Oh God. Free. There's one on my foot and he won't move. And there's one he's looking at my face.
Oh, come on. Come on.
Why do you like